Yeah, hello friends. This is Sunil Pawar here. I'm back with one more video. Tomorrow it is 3rd of September, and as all of you know that every Thursday on expiry day of Nifty and Bank Nifty, I give demo calls. And this is my YouTube channel Sunil Suklal Pawar. If you search in YouTube Sunil Suklal Pawar, you will get this channel. There are already 14,000, more than 14,000 subscribers are already there, and all these people are the real traders, because this channel does not do any type of marketing for getting views or subscribers. This channel is limited only to the demo calls. If you check the videos of this channel, you will find only the videos of demo calls only, the technical videos. A person who is not working in option market will not even understand the videos. So these 14,300 subscribers are the real traders, and every Thursday I'm giving demo calls here in this channel, and I'm giving demo calls on my Facebook account, my Facebook page, and also in my Telegram channel. So this was expiry demo call for 27 August. This was the last expiry demo call which was given here live one day before. All my calls are given one day before. These are advanced calls. So this call was also given one day before, and in this video tells us about the daily performance of the calls from 24 August to 31st August, day wise, date wise, and with all the charts and all other details. So the performance of 27 August was covered in this video, because it is from 24 August to 31st August. So 27 August performance was covered here. So this channel, if you check, you will find expiry demo call for 30th July, capital doubled in expiry demo call 30th July. So you will find the call video and you will find the performance video. Now we'll see what is the call for tomorrow. This is the call that I have released for my paid clients. This call is already given to the paid clients, and this is the call. We'll see this call in detail. Before that, this is my contact number here, 9890812070. You can contact me for daily calls. You will get paid clients get daily such calls. So for that you can contact me, and you can read the disclaimer before watching this video. You can read the disclaimer on my website equityfact.com. So I'll show you in short. This is the website equityfact.com, and you can just go on to that website and you can just simply read the disclaimer there. So in short, this is equityfact.com and this is the disclaimer. You can read it. So in short, I want to tell you people, like, this demo call is only for the demonstration of the paid calls, and this call is not for the trading. Means if you are trading this call, that is all your own decision, and through this video I am not recommending you to trade on this call. You should trade in market only after checking your risk appetite, how much risk you can take, that you must know, and after that only you should trade in market. So option trading is not recommended for everybody, but this call and performance you can check just for the understanding of how these option calls are working, and just for the knowledge of option market. Now let us see the call. So this is 3rd September, and this is my Telegram channel. I will show you the link also. This is the link. So Telegram channel, if you want to join my Telegram channel, just type Sunil Pawar Option King in Telegram, Sunil Pawar option king. If you type this, you will come to this channel. You can subscribe this channel. There are already 3300 real traders are there, so you can join this channel and you can take benefit of these free demo calls. So in this video I have covered from 24 August to 31 August, and very fast I am telling you, this is 1st September. So in this video you can see the performance from 24 August to 31st August, and September 1 Nifty call 11,400 has hit the target that I have updated here. Then Bank Nifty call 23,800, entry was 436.39 and it has hit 659.95 that I have updated here. This is the performance of 1st September. And the performance of 2nd September is Nifty put 11,450, entry at 51.06, hit the target of 74.39. So put has hit the target. Bank Nifty put has also hit the target. Entry was Bank Nifty put was 23,800, entry was 322.66, hit the target of 413.47. So big target, it was hit. So I have updated the calls from 24th August till today, that is 2nd of September. Every day there is a profit. There is not a single day where the clients have got loss during this period. Now let us see the 3rd September expiry demo call. These calls are given on website. The website name is equityfact.com. The client has to take ID and password to see the call. Everybody cannot see. The person who is having ID and password, login ID and password, only can see the call, these calls. So call is Nifty call 11,550. If crosses 58.88, then target is 74.42, stop loss is 43.33. Nifty put 11,550, if crosses 48.02, target is 63.56, stop loss 32.48. So these calls are given every day. Same call you can read for Bank Nifty, and these calls are traded with some rules. So what are the rules? Rules are like this. Entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. It means if call crosses entry price tomorrow morning, these calls are given you one day before. So tomorrow morning after 9:15, if call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. If option opens with gap up, then wait for given buy level and enter at the level only. It means tomorrow if call 11,550, if opens let us say around 65, then you wait for 58.88, and if the moment it comes back to that price, you can buy. Tomorrow it is expiry, so premium is very low, so you can the traders can trade in 2 lots, and if it opens around let us say 60-65, one lot the trader is expected to buy at 65, other lot he can buy at 53, so that his average price becomes 58. So one lot, if he is buying 5 points above the entry price, he can buy other lot at 5 points below the entry price, so that average price becomes the entry price. If break above, these are the entry prices. These are the entry prices. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. For example, now we'll take the example of Bank Nifty. Let us say tomorrow if Bank Nifty call 23,900, if crosses 224, then target is 279.45, stop loss is 168.55. If for example tomorrow Bank Nifty call crosses 224, for example, tomorrow call may activate, call may cross the entry price or put may cross the entry price. Depends on market conditions. But if for example Bank Nifty call 23,900 crosses the entry price, then and if it does not hit the target, if it is not hitting the target but it hits the stop loss, if call hits the stop loss, then first thing, you exit the trade. You exit the trade on stop loss, the first thing you will do. Then once you exit, you wait for the put to activate. You wait for the put to cross the entry price. If put crosses the entry price, then you enter into put with double quantity. Otherwise, if put is not crossing the entry price and call again goes back and crosses the entry price. If call again crosses the entry price, you can buy call with the double quantity. So this is the rule. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. If the target of call or put whatever, if it is hit within 2 hours, then you can book one lot. You can book one lot at the target. Other lot, the trader can carry till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. This rule number 5, if target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days. It is not for expiry day. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. This is also not for expiry day. This rule number 5 and 6 are not applicable for expiry day. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signals. It means these calls I am giving you one day before. So these are the pre-market calls. If tomorrow market opens with a big gap up or gap down, if these calls or puts, anyone, either call or put, anyone, if they open above the target, then you entirely avoid this table. If call open above the entry price, then you will avoid the call also, and put also, entire table you will avoid. You will not trade on these calls, and you will wait for my next call, which I will update at by 10:15 a.m. tomorrow morning. If these calls open above target, if they open above target, then I will update fresh live market call at 10:15 a.m. So that is the rule. So you in that case you must avoid these calls, and you should wait for till 10:15 a.m. and there I will update the calls with the same format, with the same rules. You can trade those calls. So these are the rules. And for expiry days, trade with 2 lots, means trade with double quantity, exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m., double the quantity of opposite option when stop loss is hit. So rules are almost same. So friends, in this video I have told you the calls performance from 24th of August to 2nd of September. Every day there is a profit. If you want to join these paid services, and if you want to have such calls daily, then you can contact me on this number. In this video you are not asked to trade. This is just a demo video, just to tell you how my calls perform, how these option calls actually make movement in market. So further detailed disclaimer you can read on equityfact.com, and share this channel and share this video with all of your friends, so that everybody takes benefit of this knowledge. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.